Hey everybody, Dave Potteran here, Chairman of the Pool Committee. We decided to have a polar plunge this year to kick off our amazing new pool and our amazing new swim year. Go Breakers!
Hey, this is Brian Triole. I'm the Aquatics Director here at the Princess Anne Country Club, and all these crazy members back here are going to be jumping in the water. We're really excited for it. All donations today go to Hope for Life.
It was pretty cold.
Hey, how you doing? John Atkinson here at the Princess Anne Pool with Johnny Bratton.
Photobomb.
And that's how we do it.